Hello and good morning. So for the last Friday, Monday, we did sincerity and enthusiasm, and there was a reason for it. Today we are doing persistence. You need sincerity when you come into a meditation. You need to sincerely want to meet the divine. You need enthusiasm, a desire to really feel the oneness, and you need persistence. You really do need to meditate every day, if possible, at the same time, and more in the same chair. You are telling your body and the mind, this is the time the spirit takes control. Your body and your mind will resist, but it is imperative that once you start doing it and you start receiving the rewards, you're not going to want to stop. So I'm probably preaching to the choir. Those of you guys who are with me every morning and consistently in the same place and meditating. I mean, I'm sure you are not doing it for, just the fun of it. You are getting the rewards, and I hope others will catch on too. So we are actually going to meditate on inviting persistence into our life so that we can continue to meditate, continue to persistently care for the things that matter with our mind, our heart, our spirit, our soul. All right, let's get started. We are going to start with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. We'll go into a simple guided meditation like the last two, and we will sit silently for a few moments and just invite more persistence into our life. At the end of the silent period, we will hear the chimes, so you know I'm going to speak and not jolt you out. We will then bring our attention back into ourselves, roll the energy up the front of our body, roll the energy up the back of our body to over our head to our third eye, and close with the 23rd Psalm. I'm sorry I sound kind of funny, but I got a bit of a head cold. Not something common. All right, let's take a deep breath. Close our eyes and invite our body to let go and to release. Just feel yourself starting to relax and melt into your chair. Take another deep breath. And while exhaling, scan your body and notice if there's any tightness, any discomfort. And if there is, bring your attention to that spot and invite it to let go. Notice how powerful your mind is. Mind is the builder, the physical is the result. In this fully relaxed state, we bring our attention to the center of our body, to the core, right in our solar plexus, which is about 3 inches above our belly button. Feel the energy there. Feel how powerful and how strong. Notice the energy is being fed from a large amount pouring in from above, and even some energy coming up from below. That is like a fountain circulating in your body. Feel it move out in front of you and out to the back of you from this spot. Feel it encirculate you like a giant egg, protecting you and keeping you safe. And as the energy of the divine moves in and around and protects you in the shell, we begin with the prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Feeling this energy circulating around you like a giant shell, allow your body and your mind to just drift up inside this protected shell, rising up out of yourself, straight up into the sky, straight up into space. Feel the silence. Feel the peacefulness. Straight up, continuing. You find yourself with this glorious, brilliant light surrounding your shell. It's coming into the shell. It is renewing you. It is encouraging you to be continuously persistent. Let us sit as we absorb this reward for our persistence and more encouragement. Let us start to float back down, gently leaving this beautiful place, feeling ourselves coming into our body from above, pulling all the way in and closing the chakra, the solar plexus. Closing that down now, so as the energy is not flowing out so powerfully. Rolling the energy up the front of your body and rolling the energy up the back of your body and over your head. We close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thank you for joining me. Hopefully tomorrow I still have a voice. I am Nora Truscello with Into Intuition. Come visit me on my website. Have a great day. Bye now.